Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the connection and renewing routes. First, confirm whether Wi-Fi or mobile data gives lower ping, switch if needed. Once done, force stop Genshin and any heavy apps so CPU and network sockets free up. Then toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds to force a fresh IP and carrier routing. This often clears transient spikes. Make sure to reconnect to the preferred network and wait for a stable signal indicator before launching the game. Now you optimize routing and name resolution to shave off latency. Change Android private DNS to a fast provider that supports DNS over TLS. This reduces lookup delays. Next, if needed, connect a reputable gaming VPN that provides a low-latency route to the game server region. Test ping before committing. Also, disable battery saver and any per-app network restrictions so Genshin can use full bandwidth. Make sure to test with multiple DNS and VPN endpoints. Finish by locking in settings and validating performance. Launch Genshin, pick the nearest server region, then close other apps and lower graphics if necessary to reduce packet loss. If ping remains high, repeat the airplane reset and switch DNS or VPN endpoints. Sometimes one route works while another fails. And if nothing helps, restart your router or contact your ISP or mobile carrier. Persistent high ping often means a routing problem outside your phone. One key troubleshooting tip: run quick ping tests to the game IP to identify where latency spikes occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.